The new direct marketing is an information-based marketing process managed by database technology that enables marketers to develop and implement customized marketing programs and strategies. In order to able to implement the new direct marketing, you need to know how to, number one, identify and gather relevant data about customers and prospects. Number two, use database technology to transform raw data into powerful and accessible marketing information. Number three, apply statistical techniques to customer and prospect databases in order to analyze behavior, isolate relativity, homogeneous market segments, and score and rank individuals in terms of their probability of behaving in a variety of predictable ways. Number four, evaluate the economics of gathering, manipulating, and analyzing data, and capitalize on economics of developing and implementing data-driven marketing programs. And finally, number five, creatively act on the marketing opportunities that emerge from these processes to develop individual customer relationships and to build business. Given these elements, the new direct marketing is much broader in scope than what has been traditionally regarded as either direct marketing or database marketing. In today's marketing environment, exchanging information is becoming almost as important as exchanging goods and services. With rising costs, crowded supermarket shelves, and overstuffed mailboxes, smart marketers are not just efficiently consummating a sale, they are also providing a chance for customers to communicate with them. As a result, programs are being implemented to develop information about an individual. In some cases, marketers are actually establishing ongoing dialogues with customers that go well beyond acknowledging a customer relationship or nurturing customer loyalty. Such dialogues make use of in-package surveys, special questionnaires, opinion polls, and annual tracking studies, as well as point-of-sale programs that automatically reward shoppers with discounts while electronically recording what they are purchasing. Significantly, such dialogues facilitate the gathering of information that has relevance and value to both consumers and marketers. For consumers, these dialogues not only provide a mechanism to register preferences regarding merchandise and method of purchase, but also allow customers to help mold new products and services based on their interests, lifestyles, and purchase patterns. Additionally, these dialogues enable consumers to continually make known their perceptions and attitudes about a company's products and services. Thus, they offer consumers the chance to play a more active, ongoing role in the buyer-seller relationship and help create a stronger affinity between consumers and companies. And for marketers, they produce more timely and accurate information about usage and buying habits. Consequently, marketers are able to use the information to develop customized marketing strategies and programs for individuals or small groups of customers, and no longer have to settle for one single solution or program to best fit their complex marketing situation. Aside from capturing information, the new direct marketing also enables marketers to more easily use the information. Until now, customer data and product data were usually only linked after countless hours of analysis and extrapolation. Even the most sophisticated marketers had a tough time matching product sales and individual customer performance. But now, using the new direct marketing Marketers can first marry product sales and data concerning individual customer attributes and characteristics, and then using statistical techniques. Simply stated, companies that are able to marry individual customer information with standard industry measures of products movement on an ongoing basis can more accurately and quickly evaluate opportunities and precisely identify who is buying what, how often, and why. They can relate this information to other types of products their customers are also buying and know which elements within the marketing mix are most likely to motivate such customers to switch or stay with a given brand. Strategically, then, the new direct marketing is based on the premise that not all customers are alike, and that by gathering, maintaining, and analyzing detailed information about customers and prospects, marketers can identify key market segments and optimize their process of planning, pricing, promoting, and consummating an exchange between sellers and buyers that satisfies both individual and organizational objectives. Log on to my website at www.asifjmeer.com. Also visit my blog at asifjmeer.wordpress.com. Have a great day.